Okay, so some people were having some issues with turning off captions on TikTok. I uploaded a video yesterday showing you how to turn off the captions, but it seems that TikTok has done an update. So if you do the old method of holding down on the captions and then that little hard captions button appears, with this new update, that doesn't seem to be happening. I'm not too sure if it's an update or something is just wrong with the TikTok captions. So you'd normally just hit the hard captions and then you'd get this little button right here indicating that the captions are hidden. Now, one way that you can potentially hide the captions again is I found a post on Reddit and some person said that they logged out of TikTok, they deleted the app and then they reinstalled it. And then when they went to go log back in, they logged in with Facebook and then they were able to hide the captions again. So you can try that method out and see if it works. Drop a comment down below if it does. And then on some accounts, I don't actually have it on my account, but if you go to your profile and then you tap on these three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, then you scroll down to till you get the accessibility option. Normally here on some accounts you have the option to turn off captions for all the videos. So you can see if that option there is available for you. Like I said, I don't have it on my account, but in some regions you will have it. So that's just an update on the TikTok captions and the ability to turn them off. Go ahead and try that Facebook method and see if that works for you. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.